Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove indicators on TradingView. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in TradingView and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, we have products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. Right here, you're going to find a search bar. If you click right here, you can search for any markets in this list. You can also filter only see stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, and economy. Right here in the right, you're going to find the watch list. And you can click right here if you want to change the list. You can switch to the red list. You can import a list or you can create your own list. For example, I'm going to go to Apple Charts by clicking right here. And then it will take me to another window. So from here, you can see all the currencies. From here, you can see on super charts. And from here, you can see, guys, the chart. You can get widget, see by area or candles. From here, you can take a snapshot. And from here, you can see the full chart. So I'm going to click on launch full chart view to see the full chart like this. So basically guys, right here you're gonna find a lot of tools. Go right here to the top and you're gonna find indicators. So we're gonna click right here. And as you can see guys, these are the indicators. You can add any indicator that you want. For example, I'm gonna click on 24-hour volume. And as you can see guys, now it's added. Basically guys, in order to remove the indicator, just hover your mouse over it and you're gonna find this little X icon to delete the pan. Once you click on it, the indicator is removed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.